Hello Boombas, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to install the NotGuilded app onto your desktop. So this will only work for Windows or just any other PC based operating systems or just any computers. Okay, so this is for desktop. So you want to go to your browser. I recommend Google Chrome. So go to your main account and you will want to go to the website, which is notguilded.base44.app. Then enter that in. So you should have an account. So when you sign in with Google, you get all your information in, and go to the three dots right here and go to Cache, Save, and Share, and then you see this option that says Install NotGuilded. Press that button and install it, and then you should have it as an app. So you might want to pin it to your taskbar, so you don't have to go to the browser. All you have to do is just open it from your home screen or your taskbar. So that is how you install NotGuilded on PC.